Guys, it's Kara again, and as you can see I had my beads out and was doing a lot of playing with them this weekend. I made some more of the safety pin brooches. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you might remember that I made some of these around this time last year to give as gifts for friends. And because I was trying to use up the goodies that I have a ton of these little safety pins, so I made a few more. And this year I think I'm going to give them ahead of Christmas so that they could wear them for the holiday season and you know, during the winter time. So I just pulled out some little charms that I had, the safety pins, some different beads. This one has kind of a blue and silver theme to it. You can see it's got a little hat, a snowman, some really pretty little white, blue, silver beads, a snowflake, you know, and basically they just open this part up and they can slip it on a coat or a heavier jacket, that kind of thing. And it just dangles down there. And then I did two more, one with kind of a pink theme. Similar little charms with the snowflakes and the snowmen. Opens the same way as the last one. There's that one, just simple little bead dangles. And then the last one is just in clear and white beads. And it's a little snow theme. It's got the little snowflakes on there. So I just thought it was cute. They're pretty simple to make. Just normal, you know, I make my little bead dangles and just slide them on there. You can use jump rings if you'd like. Pretty simple. I will try and link my earlier videos on these in the description below because I think I have one where I showed you how I put them all together. And if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.